Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create a digital product on Gumroad. So first and foremost, you can create a digital product here on Canva. All you have to do is to create an account here. Tap on create a design. You can see different templates and all you have to do is go to the search icon and then type digital. Now you can also look for ebook. For this tutorial, we'll be creating ebook like a story for children. So we'll be following the template and the size of an ebook. So let's tap on the ebook cover here. It will take us directly to the blank page. Now here inside the Canva, if you tap on the templates, you can search for a specific template right here. So for example, we will be creating storybook, then you can search for a storybook right here. You can see different templates that you can choose. All you have to do is to click and then you can edit whatever you want to edit, like add or remove element, remove word, whatever you want to change here. You can also start from scratch, but for me, it would be easier to just look and select for any template right here and then change. So, for example, if you want to change the cover photo or the cover page with a cat element, all you have to do is search for cat or dogs or whatever you want to add here and just double tap or just drag the element here in the blank page or in the page. So, you just have to search and then look for that specific element that you want. So for me, I would like to add this one right here. And then you can change the name. For example, of course, if you are the author, this is just for tutorial. Okay, so let's just say if you're the author of this and you can add your name, you can change the color of your font, you can change the font style and font size. Everything is up to you. Now, since we don't have a title yet or story yet, I can also suggest to ask ChatGPT for a help. Basically, you can ask ChatGPT to create a story for you, or I would suggest to just ask idea and create your own. But since this is just a tutorial, I'm gonna show you an example on how to create an ebook or story here in Canva and sell it to Gumroad. So suppose that you are the one who created this, or let's just say you want to ask an idea and then edit this one later. This is the storybook that you're going to copy and paste in your Canva. So this is the title. You can copy this one and then paste it right here. Okay. And then after that, you can change the font style, the font size, okay, the color. You can delete some elements here or unnecessary object. Everything is up to you. So you can change the color of that. And since we have the title already, then you can proceed with the rest of the ebook or the story. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. Resize, okay, change position of elements. And then after that, you can tap on add page right here. So if you want, you can just choose a blank page, but if you want other style, you can go back to Canva and then look for a template. You look for something here that you can use. For example, this one. You just have to delete unnecessary objects. For example, this one right here, delete, remove, or you can resize and put it somewhere. Okay, this one change position. And then we will be adding a text or we will be adding the first page or the first story here. So what you're going to do is you have to tap on the text, click whatever font text that you want or style, go back to ChatGPT, and then copy the first line here. For example, this one. Copy this, and then go back to Canva and then paste. Now, as you can see, it's too large, so decrease the font size rather. Change this to color white. Add page again or duplicate this one. Tap on the duplicate icon right here. And then same thing, just go back to ChatGPT, copy and then paste the next paragraph or story. Duplicate again, go back to ChatGPT, copy again, and then paste it right here. So feel free to resize, change the font style, font color, everything is up to you. You can even change the paragraph style. Okay, so you can just explore whatever you want to tap here on your Canva. So Same thing. Now, if you want to change the background, then go back again to template and then look for that background that you want. Tap on text and then paste the story. So you can even add effects if you want, but you cannot add animation because this one is for PDF. So you can add elements. So for example, if you want to add more cats, you just have to click this graphics. I strongly suggest you use graphic, then photos. So you just have to place the cat object right here. You can add more, and then basically that's it. So you can review everything. Once you're satisfied, tap on the share icon and then tap on download. Make sure this one is PDF. You can also set password to this. Since you will be selling this, you can set a password, or um you can change the setting before you download. So once you have downloaded this to PDF, you can now go to the site. So the site where we're going to sell this is Gumroad. So this is really our tutorial for today. So once you have your digital product, you can go to Gumroad. After you have personalized everything here, so you can click or open a new tab, and then you have to search for Gumroad. So create an account here using your Google or email and password. So once you have your account, just basically scroll down, look for products, tap on new product, and then upload your ebook or your digital product here. Add the name. Click a digital product or ebook, add a price, tap on customize, add thumbnails, description, cover, and product information here, and basically add password or negotiate with your client. So basically, after that, you can post this, save, publish, and continue. Then your customer or client will go to your homepage and they will see your artwork or your products. And all you have to do is to click and then negotiate with you, have a conversation with you on how they're going to buy this product. And basically, this is one of the ways on how to sell or create digital product on Gumroad. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.